Matt here with 911R, and we have this 1986 M491 turbo look, factory wide body car. These cars were essentially the turbo chassis, suspension, brakes, and all this stuff, the factory steel fenders and everything, but they don't have the turbo motors. This has the normal aspirated 3.2 in it, which actually makes these cars really fun to drive and a lot more economical to own. The M491s, you have the big fenders on it. You have the, this also has the 930 steering wheel in it. But again, I was getting back to the big 930 calipers. I guess you can't see it very good in this one. Those big, really cool aluminum calipers are really neat on these cars, and just performance of them is much better. The trailing arms are slightly different. The shocks and all that is slightly tuned for the turbo stuff. Really makes these cars perform and handle a lot better. But then the best part of it is when you come around to the back and you just look at one of these cars from the back, and just the huge hips and just the real prominent stance. I mean, this was a special car when these rolled off the showroom floor, and they're still special today. This car's black with the cashmere leather. The leather in the inside's been retrimmed and it's beautiful. The car's had a full respray on it, and the paint is nice. It's all been color sanded and color corrected. Michelin tires, looks like 8 and 7-inch wheels. AC, 5-speed, 915 gearbox. Really a really well sorted car, very clean. Somebody's gonna be super happy to get this one in the garage. If you have any questions about it, please use the contact seller button and we'll hit you up and give you all the information. Also, if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, use the contact seller button on any of our auctions, and we'll get right back to you with what we think your car's worth. Thank you.